In today's lesson, we will be looking at frequency tables and dot plots. A frequency table is just another word for a way to make tally charts. We use frequency tables to show how many times a number occurs in a collection of data. So in this collection, it's talking about the hours spent studying by students. The frequency is how many times that number is written down. The first step is just to write down tally marks for the numbers. So 0, if I look at the list, there are 5 zeros. So I'm going to write the number tally mark for the number 5. Then write the number itself. I look at my next number, 1. There are 7 ones. So I write 7 tally marks and then the number 7. There are 5 2s. So I write the number 5. There are 4 3s, 2 4s, and 1 5. It's okay to go through and write all the tally marks first and then the numbers. Sometimes I like to color code. Other times I like to cross off as I go. We can then use this to answer some questions. Which amount of study time was the most common? Well, 1 hour, because that has the largest amount of times it was written down. Which was the least common? More than 5 hours. So dot plots are just a visual representation of frequency tables, or how often a data point occurs. There's a number line at the bottom with dots or X's representing how many times that number occurred. This is the same dot plot for our previous information. How many students studied for 1 hour? Well, on the dot plot, we look at the column and count how many dots there are. There are 8 dots listed in this dot plot. Then we do the same thing. How many students study for more than 3 hours? Well, we don't want the 3, but we want everything larger than 3. So that means we're going to look at both the 4 and the 5. So there are 3 students that studied more than 3 hours. Here's another practice. Fill in the frequency table and then make a dot plot. So first we're going to tally up and count how many hours practiced. The number 5 is written down 4 times. The number 6 is written down 3 times. The number 7 is also written down 3 times. The number 8 is written down twice, and the number 9 is also written down twice. Notice I'm crossing off the numbers as I record them so I don't make a mistake and miscount my numbers. Now I can make my dot plot. First start with the number line. Then place dots where they belong. Since we have 5 has 4, we put 4 dots on the number 5. 6 would get 3 dots, 7 would get 3 dots, 8 would get 2 dots, and 9 would get 2 dots. Remember, it's also okay to put X's there, but that is your dot plot.